Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my honey sweet beef shrimp sauce. It's actually a special appetizer that I normally make for my husband or any family member that visits or any special guest. So I'm going to show you how I make it so you can learn how to entertain your guests when they are home. While they're waiting for the food, you should have at least an appetizer waiting and also a dessert to top the main dish. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. So for this honey sweet beef and shrimp sauce, I'm going to be using my shrimp, which is already here, washed and peeled. I'm going to be using my chopped beef, which is in here. I'm going to be using my honey. I'm going to be using my ketchup. I'm going to be using my seasoning, my curry and thyme seasoning. I'm going to be using my Maggi. I'm going to be using my parsley and a little garlic. Then I want to just let you know that for another option for the honey, you can either use your syrup or you can use sugar as a sweetener. So you can either use the honey, the sugar, or the syrup as a sweetener. So let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you try it and I hope you enjoy it. It tastes really good. This is a good appetizer. You could also, make it a full meal by using it with white rice or baked potato or mashed potato, whichever one you like. But please leave me a comment, like and share my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.